Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming identity, so the system returns the correct Form 1095A. Sign in to your health insurance marketplace account with your username and password. If you don't have one, create it now using your email. Once logged in, navigate to Tax Forms or Documents. Menus differ by state. Make sure the covered household and policy year match what you need. If not, select the correct year from the drop-down. This avoids pulling the wrong 1095A and saves you time. Once done, find the 1095A link and click to display the PDF. You'll see line items for monthly premiums and the second lowest cost Silver plan. Verify names, SSN, and monthly premium amounts against your records because discrepancies affect your premium tax credit. If everything matches, download and save the PDF to a secure folder. Label it with year and your last name. Make sure to print or keep a digital copy for your tax software or preparer before closing the session. You finish by importing the 1095A into your tax software or handing the PDF to your preparer. This ensures correct premium tax credit calculations. If numbers or personal details are incorrect, immediately contact Marketplace support and request a corrected 1095A. Document the case number and time. If the site won't let you download, clear cookies or try a different browser, and then retry. Make sure you retain all correspondence and the downloaded form in case the IRS asks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.